Fresh water is quickly becoming a scarce resource in the Southwest. But lucky for Yuma County, the area has some of the oldest Colorado River water rights. This means good news for a $3.2 billion agriculture industry. But Stephen Alameda says as a grower, there is pressure to provide the max amount of food using the minimum amount of water.
We brag about how well we're protected, but along with that goes a responsibility to use the water to its highest value, to get the most out of it. And in that is our way of conserving.
To date, several watering efficiency techniques are used.
So to apply water to fields, growers essentially use three ways. One, furrow irrigation, and that's where water is delivered to beds or in between beds. And then there's sprinkler irrigation like the crop behind me. And then finally, there's drip irrigation. And each one of those methods has its own built-in efficiency all within itself.
One of the methods discussed is the drip irrigation system. Those are the three tubes laid out in front of me that run the whole length of this field. That's 1,200 feet. Each of these tubes have holes poked through them to release water slowly and efficiently to these crops.
The hoses in return help crops by directly watering roots underground instead of above, which would run the risk of drowning the plant. These triangular craters between each row of crops is intentionally designed. They allow river water released from pipes to run quicker across the field, reducing the amount used. But it isn't just the design that helps.
Particularly here in the area where we grow a lot of winter vegetables, the soil texture is extremely high in clay. And so when water is applied to the surface of the soil through furrow irrigation, the water tends to move horizontally, not necessarily vertically down below the root zone.
Alameda says these efforts allow farmers to meet a growing demand to feed the nation, all while preserving a precious resource. Reporting in Yuma, I'm Ella Sugamonian.